Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel AT&T Wireless plan, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your AT&T Wireless plan, start by gathering your account information. Visit the official AT&T website or open the My AT&T app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. Look for the Manage Account option. Click on Cancel Service or Cancel Plan. Follow the prompts provided on the screen. If prompted, select the reason for your cancellation. Review any early termination fees or outstanding balances associated with your plan. Proceed to confirm your cancellation request. If you prefer direct assistance, consider calling AT&T customer service. Dial the customer service number provided on their website or in your account. When connected, explain that you wish to cancel your wireless plan. Have your account information ready for verification. Ask about any final charges or fees to avoid surprises. Ensure that you receive a confirmation of your cancellation either via email or text. After confirmation, double-check your account for any lingering charges. Keep a record of the cancellation confirmation for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.